everyone. We are Null Entity. My name is Carla. We also have Daniel, Robert, and Samanjeet. This presentation is on the positive influences of computer science on developing software applications. Our motivation was really to close the gaps between instructors and students that are caused by the current management system at Fresno State. In addition to this, we wanted to enhance the virtual learning experience for both the instructor and the student. Our solution was to create a new management system with features such as feedback, ratings, direct messaging, and guided tours. The solution has enhanced the communication between students and faculty while providing a user-friendly experience. Now we're going to move on to a demo of our project. Daniel will be the instructor and Samanjeet will be the student.
So one of the more important features we have is facilitating feedback between the instructor and the students. So I'm going to set up a feedback session here. This here is a tutorial. We've coded up tutorials for pretty much all the major features across the entire application. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss this for now. And a feedback session has a title and various fields that we can set up. I have a session that I've already created here for getting some feedback on a midterm. I'm going to go ahead and create it, and we'll look at see what that looks like on the student side.
Okay, so now we're on the student side of things, and this is going to be the class page for Math 76, and it gives a short class description, and on the left-hand side, you have links to feedback sessions, course material access, and quizzes. So if we were to click this tab here, we'd be redirected to the feedback sessions for the class, and we can click the one that Danny just created previously about the midterm date. So we can pick Wednesday, submit the answer, and then our response will be sent back to the instructor.
So once a feedback session is over and we've collected all our feedback, we can go here to view the results. The results are itemized, listed out, each responder, and we also get aggregate results where it tells us what percentage of our students answered certain ways on each question. We can also create quizzes. Quizzes are functionally similar to the feedback forms. Mainly the same UI with a couple changes. I have a quiz here that I've already created, and I'm going to go ahead and send that one off.
So here's the quizzes page for Math 76. We can see that quiz 1 has not been taken yet by the student. So if we click it, we can answer it. So let's start off, we'll answer this one correctly and answer this one incorrectly. Hit submit, and our results are recorded successfully, and now it says that it's taken, and the instructor can see our responses.
The results for quizzes are viewed in the same way that they were for feedback sessions. We get the same breakdown, and additionally, on each response, we can see where a student went wrong and what the correct answer should have been. Instructors can also upload course materials to make available to the students in their classes. We can get to it from this link here, and I'm going to go ahead and attach a couple files. And we can verify that it uploaded. Perfect. We also have a direct message feature. With it, we can send messages to other instructors or students or admins. We can also create group messages.
All right, so now logged in as a student, we can see our messaging tab, and we can click the message that was just sent, and we can see what was sent, that hello, how are your projects going? And we can just do a quick response and send it back in real time.
Our project utilized multiple software engineering principles taught in CSCI 152. Throughout the development process, we had weekly meetings and worked on features in an incremental process with constant testing. We also utilized a wiki, UML diagrams, and wireframes to manage our design and features since the beginning of the project. We organized the program in a model view controller pattern to separate different components for better readability and maintainability, and use GitHub as a version control system to manage the entire project and peer reviews for updates. Overall, these principles demonstrated an industry environment that helped us make solutions to real world problems. Thank you.